Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, September 26th, and it's as good a time as any to do a garden update. It's been a while since I've been out here again, because it was very hot for a while. I didn't want to come out, and then it's been very rainy, which we needed, but didn't want to come out here and get myself soaking. So we'll see if we find any surprises. Corn dying, getting moldy. No real surprise there. The squash vines, pretty much dead. The small wonder, there are a couple ripe or almost ripe squash that we can pick. But then there are also some that are clearly not ripe. And I guess we'll go to waste. Like that guy. We'll just compost them. No big deal. There's a acorn squash too. I have to check if that's ripe or not. Get a feel. Over here with the zucchinis, summer squash. You can see we've got a nice one there. It's ready to pick. It's good size. Another 2 or 3 developing. More flowers. So again, this plant continues to go. It's going to be interesting to see how late it goes into the fall, since this is usually more of a summer crop. But yeah, we'll take as much as we can get out of it. Raspberries, nice big canes. Won't be long now until we have to trim those out. Get ready for the winter. Brussels sprouts. Got some bigger ones on top here. That's nice. And lots of small ones down below. Very small, unfortunately. What do we have for tomatoes? There's some green ones hanging around. A couple down there. There's a rather large one. Yeah, so there's quite a few green ones. Most of these, I would guess, are not going to have time to ripen. But if we can get a few, that would be appreciated. Such as this guy right here. That's a nice one. It's split, probably because of all the rain we've gotten. No surprise there. Okay. We'll check out the... Oh, look, hey, squirrel food. Check out the smaller beds here. You can see we've got some jolly tomatoes. There's another one. Many green ones still coming along. So we should get more of those yet. Ahi rico pepper. There's one of those ready to pick. Several green. These are actually pretty good. Green, especially pickled, so that's okay. What else do we have that's interesting here? Carrots. Nebula purple carrots. Then these are the Kyoto red. We'll be harvesting those closer to frost. And the Mexico midget tomato. There's a few on there that are ripe. Not getting many. It was never a huge producer, but they're tasty tomatoes. Kind of fun. And then over here, finally, we have the midnight snack tomatoes. Let's see. Nope. I'm not seeing any that are ripe. Maybe. Nope. So again, lots to still ripen on here. Got a beaver dam pepper. That's beautiful. A little small. Very nice. A couple white currant tomatoes. I don't see any sun sugar right now. Might be some buried in there. Actually, or was that on the other side? I think that was over there. This is all white currant. Vermont cranberry beans. There's not a ton, but you can see why they get their name. And then peppers, kind of a mess. Just a lot of random... Where is he? A lot of random pods down there. A lot of green ones. And I won't bother to try to identify them. And then some parsley. These are, I think, our rainbow carrots. Yeah, still getting bigger. Very nice. That's lemon basil. That's way bolted. Parsnips. huge leaves on these parsnips. Again, we won't pull any until closer to frost, but I'm really interested to see how big those are. And what is over here? Oh yeah, watermelon radishes. There's one down there. This guy, it's small, but it looks like usable. And then, yeah, you can see a couple of the roots are pulled up above the ground level, so those aren't going to be good. Well, here's another decent one. So we'll get a few of those. Not perfect, but we'll get a few. And I guess that's really it for today. This might be our second to last video for the season. The trees are changing, the leaves are falling. It's been a mixed bag this year, but all in all, it's been fun. And again, we'll check in, I think, one more time. And thank you for watching.